Balani Mandy, and today we're gonna be painting with these colors.
These colors were custom made for us and they say our names inside of them. So guys, we printed these pages. We have more to draw and you can print these if you want to. It's an extra bonus to draw with your crayons.
Let's start unboxing.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Let me see mine. Ready? Whoa, Valen.
Let me see.
Love
What does
yours.
it say?
Let's do a game, Mandy. Let's throw these out and pick a random letter to start drawing.
Let's go.
Mix them.
N. Oh! Can we get this?
Let's start drawing.
We're gonna start with this page. Let's see if you have it.
Yes.
Wow. Let's go.
A donut, a cake, and a cupcake.
Let's go. Oh!
Let's see what else we have to do to unbox.
Oh, they're crayons.
Yeah.
Is every single color?
Ooh. These smell like crayons.
These are made out of crayons.
Okay, let's see. I'm starting with the donut.
I think I'm gonna start with the donut too. How do I paint? I don't think I can paint with this.
Choose a random color and start painting.
This one. It's so big. I can't draw with it.
Pretend it's like a normal crayon.
Oh, they're all colors, so you can just go like this. Like random.
Sometimes it's hard to stay in the lines,
I know.
but we're trying. Is it fun, Mandy?
I think I'm gonna do like a little bit of blue right here. Now that we painted a donut, we need an actual donut.
What was that?
One for you.
Are these donut crayons? Look how cute, guys!
And I have this one. Yay! Now
Let's draw with these.
let's open them up. Alright.
Here.
Open this.
Let's, look, Mandy, there's a sticker here.
Oh, there's a sticker there.
I'm grabbing it.
Ooh.
Smells like crayons too. Now we're gonna draw a donut with a donut.
We're drawing with a donut. We have a picture of donut. Let's eat. Eat.
Let me take a bite. Mmm. When you open it, it's different colors.
For real?
Yeah.
Whoa, for real, let me see. Oh, this one is brown. Inside of this one is brown.
Ooh. Make sure you subscribe, like, and click the bell while you're down below checking these cool items. And a cool fact about these is that once you open them, once you're using them a lot, even inside they already have multiple colors. So I've used this color a lot and it's turning into purple.
I'm gonna use now N. My N for the first letter of my name.
So overall, this product was awesome and we really love these. So if you want to check these out and buy it for yourselves, go check the link below.
Turning out with mine.
I'm almost done, guys.
And start. Then I'm gonna go to this one. Then we need to do this one that is gonna be super easy, right?
Look at these colors. So good.
I know
This is behind the scenes.
Yes. Look at this. Look at mine. It says Mandy.
And mine says Valerie.
M-D-E. Woo! Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys.